Creating fantasy videos for kids has become one of the most exciting and profitable niches on social media, especially on YouTube. These types of videos are popular because they combine storytelling, colorful visuals, and emotional lessons that both children and even adults enjoy. Channels in this niche often receive high views because kids love rewatching magical stories and parents look for safe, entertaining content for their children. With the rise of AI tools, creators can now produce high-quality animated stories faster and more easily, making it possible to grow a channel and even earn consistently from it. If you're planning to start a YouTube channel but don't know where to begin, this niche is a great choice. Creating fantasy stories is now easier with the help of AI, and there's a huge audience of kids and young-at-heart viewers who love this kind of content. The key is to make each story fresh, unique, and engaging every time you upload. Stay consistent, keep improving your storytelling, and over time, you can achieve success by creating 3D animated fantasy videos that truly capture your audience's imagination. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to create a 3D fantasy animated video. So get ready to learn today!
Before we dive in, if you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel so you won't miss any of my upcoming videos on animation making. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends.
Step 1. Creating story. To create the perfect fantasy story for our project today, I'll be using ChatGPT. Just go to ChatGPT and ask it to generate a story. But before doing that, you should already have a clear idea of what you want to create. Imagine the characters and think about the sequence of events in your story. This will help make your story more unique. AI tools like ChatGPT are simply there to guide and assist us, but the main idea should come from our own creativity. Before we begin, I just want to show you that I'm using ChatGPT with a free account. This is to demonstrate that even with a free account, ChatGPT can still produce great results. So, I already have an idea for the story I want to bring to life. I simply copy all of it, paste it into ChatGPT, and then click Generate. And in just a few seconds, ChatGPT will provide us with a beautiful story. Then I asked ChatGPT to divide the story into 10 parts and create a 10-scene storyboard, including narration and dialogue for every character in each part. After that, ChatGPT organizes the entire story into 10 scenes, complete with narration and character dialogue. Then I asked ChatGPT to create image prompts and video prompts for each part. After that, it generates detailed image and video prompts for every scene in my story. I noticed that the video prompts didn't include dialogue, so I asked ChatGPT again, please include the dialogue in the video prompts, include character descriptions, and make the characters consistent in each part. And in just a few seconds, ChatGPT generates it again with complete character descriptions and character dialogue included in the video prompts. Step 2. Generating images. To generate beautiful and consistent character images for our story, I'll be using Whisk Animator. Whisk Automator is an AI-powered image automation tool designed to generate high-quality, consistent visuals using well-structured prompts. It is especially effective for creators who want cinematic, story-driven images for animation and visual storytelling. First, go to whiskautomator.web.app and click the Get Extension Now button. You'll be redirected to the Chrome Web Store, where you can install Whisk Automator in your Chrome browser. Don't worry, the installation is quick and easy. I know your next question is it free? The answer is yes, you can generate AI images for free. The tool is currently available as an experimental project from Google Labs. However, keep in mind that AI apps may not stay free forever. So let's start creating and enjoy using the app while it's still free. Once installed, open the extension and sign up for Whisk, then launch Whisk Animator. To start creating images in Whisk, we need to go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompts we generated earlier. First, we will create the characters. Simply copy the character prompt, paste it into Whisk, set the aspect ratio to 1:1 for square format. Then click Generate. In just a few seconds, Whisk provides 2 beautiful images based on our prompts. If you're not satisfied with the results, simply click Generate again to produce another set of images. Now let's create the other characters in the story. Now that we already have the images of our characters, we can use them to generate the scene images. Just go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompts, then paste them into Whisk. Change the aspect ratio to 16:9 landscape, since this format is ideal for long-form videos. Check the prompt to see which character appears in that scene. Then scroll up and drag the desired character image into the subject section on the left side of the screen. After that, click Generate. In just a few seconds, Whisk provides 2 beautiful images of the scene based on our prompts. If you're not satisfied with the results, you can click Generate again to create another set of images. You can also hover your cursor over the image and click Refine at the top. In the text box, type a simple prompt to edit or improve the image, then click Generate. Once the new images are generated and you're satisfied with the scene, simply download the image. Then create the next scene image. Just remember to copy the image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into Whisk Animator. Make sure to drag your desired character images into the subject section to maintain consistent characters in every scene you create. After that, click Generate, and once you're satisfied with the result, download the scene image. Now I will generate the rest of the scene images. I'll fast forward this part to save time. Please don't get confused. I'm simply generating the images using the prompts we created from ChatGPT. Just remember to change the characters in the subject section to match the characters that should appear in each scene. And here are the scene images we created using Whisk Animator. Amazing, isn't it? Now that we already have the scene images, it's time to generate the video. Step 3. Video generation. To bring our scene images to life, I'll be using AI video generation tool called Grock Imagine. Grock Imagine is an AI creative tool that can generate images and turn them into animated videos using simple text prompts. It helps creators quickly transform ideas, story prompts, or scene descriptions into visual content. Grock Imagine is great for text-to-video generation, cinematic motion, fast rendering, storytelling, and ease of use. Because of these features, it's a powerful tool for turning your static scene images into animated video clips, helping bring your story to life. To access Grock Imagine, simply search Grock Imagine on Google. Make sure you open the correct website, https://grok.com imagine. This will take you to the official page where you can start generating videos. To generate videos in Grok, simply copy the video prompts we created earlier in ChatGPT, paste them in Grok. Then attach the images we made in Whisk. Make sure each image matches the corresponding video prompt. Select the video option since we're creating a video. With a free account, you can create videos at 480p resolution and up to 6 seconds long. However, with a paid account, you can create videos at 720p resolution and up to 10 seconds long, giving you higher quality and slightly longer clips. After setting everything, click Generate. Just wait a few moments while the video is generated. It won't take long. It's actually one of the fastest video generation tools I've ever tried.
I wonder what secrets those stars are hiding tonight.
And there you have it, the first clip is generated. Now, let's move on and generate the next one. Copy the video prompts in ChatGPT. Paste them in Grock Imagine. Attach the scene image. Click the video option. Finally, hit Generate.
Look at that, a falling star!
That's it. We've already created the second clip. Now, I'll generate the rest of the video prompts into clips. It won't take long. I'll just show you how to generate them using Grok while I finish the rest of the clips. Now that we have all the video clips, let's combine them into one seamless video. This will turn all your individual scenes into a complete, flowing story. Step 4. Video editing. To turn all our individual scenes into a complete flowing story video, I'll be using CapCut. So launch CapCut, then click Create Project. Open CapCut and import all your video clips in the correct sequence. Drag the clips onto the timeline in the order of your story. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 landscape, since this is the ideal size for long-form videos. Then turn off main track magnets so you can freely move and edit your clips on the timeline. Next, trim and cut clips. When generating videos, there may be parts that feel off, contain errors, or don't match the scene we want. So, we need to remove those unwanted sections and keep only the parts we need to create a smooth flow for the story. All you need to do is preview the clip, then position the playhead on the part you want to remove. After that, click Delete Left or Delete Right, depending on which section you want to cut. That's the easiest way to trim your clips. Then, adjust clip timing by dragging the clip left or right on the timeline to fix spacing. You can also increase or decrease the speed of the clip to adjust its length and better match your timing. Now I'll apply this to all my clips. I'll finish cutting, trimming, and removing the unwanted parts. I'll fast forward this part to save time so we can move on to the next step. Next, add transitions. Just go to Transitions, then choose the style you want to use. Use smooth transitions between scenes to make your video flow naturally. To apply one, simply drag your chosen transition in between your clips. You can adjust the duration to make it faster or slower. Then press play to see how smooth it looks. Repeat this process for all the clips where you want to add transitions. Next, add background music and effects. Just go to Audio, then Music, and then Sound Effects. Type the kind of music you need and a list of background tracks will appear. Click on any track to preview the sound. Once you find the music you like, simply drag it onto the timeline to use it as your background audio. If your music is too short but you want to use it longer, simply copy the background music, paste it, and arrange it on the timeline to extend it. Then, add some sound effects. Just search for the sound effect you need, preview how it sounds, and drag your chosen effect to the exact part of the timeline where you want it to play. Then click Preview to check if it matches your visuals and sound effects.
Look at that! A falling star!
Continue adding background music and sound effects until you reach the end of your story, making sure everything matches the mood of each scene. Next is adding subtitles. Just go to Subtitles, select the language you want to use, then click Generate. After a few seconds, the auto captions will appear on your timeline.
I wonder what secrets those stars are hiding tonight.
Click on the captions to customize the style. There are many caption styles to choose from. Just select one, and it will automatically be applied to all your subtitles.
Could it be? Oh no, you're hurt.
Next is creating a title intro. First, highlight all your clips, then group them so you can move everything together without affecting the timing and position of each clip. Move them aside to create space for the title intro at the beginning of your story. Next, import the image you want to use as your title image, then drag it to the beginning of your timeline. Then go to Animation and choose a simple animation for your title image. Next, go to Text, then drag default text. Type your story title, then customize the font, size, color, and position to match your theme. After that, add a simple text animation to make it more engaging. Next, go to the text-to-speech tool to add a voice for your title. Simply select the voice you prefer. Click Generate Speech.
The Prince and the Bird of Starlight.
And it will automatically be applied to your timeline. Then go to Audio and search for Intro Sound to find title sound effects. Choose a sound that matches the mood of your title. Just drag your desired sound effects to the beginning of the timeline. Preview your title to check if the sound matches the timing.
The Prince and the Bird of Starlight.
Then drag the entire story and attach it after the title. Preview your project to check for any errors. If you notice timing issues or anything that doesn't look right, edit it immediately.
The Prince and the Bird of Starlight.
I wonder what secrets those stars are hiding tonight. Look at that! A falling...
Once everything looks good, Export your project. When you're ready, click Export to render your final video. Enter your video file name, choose your desired resolution and settings, then wait for the process to finish. Once exported, your complete video is ready to be saved and shared. Now sit back and watch our final video.
The Prince and the Bird of Starlight.
I wonder what secrets those stars are hiding tonight. Look at that! A falling star! That didn't fall like a star. What could it be? Oh no, you're hurt. Don't worry, little one. I'll take care of you. Thank you, kind prince. You can talk? I come from the Star Kingdom, but I lost my way. The path back to the stars is long and dangerous. Then I will help you return home. A friend should never travel alone. This forest feels alive. The magic of the stars touches many places in your world. I'm glad I get to see it with you. This river looks like it's made of light.
It reflects the light of the heavens.
Then we're walking on a piece of the sky. The stars are so close here. Yes, this is where my journey ends.
My name is Adeline,
You were a star spirit all along.
and you are the kindest prince I have ever met.
And you, the most radiant princess. Will I ever see you again?
Whenever you look at the stars.
Thank you, Adeline.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Check out our other videos too.